No, the Queen is here. The Queen is here. Hello. It's Girl Power Wednesday every hour. May I show a set speed. Not change, just a different day and different time. Queen Wave. Listen. Who remember? Hey, you know, my granny ever said, say anything in the dark must come in the light. Hey, things, and you still not here? And you can't hear me? And you not hear nothing? And you can't hear me? Answer, can you hear me? Alright, you're not here. Yeah, my granny always say anything. I wish I knew me in. You know, for when me I pack out them something and dash over, get charity, whatever. We hearing you, yeah. You know, my granny always say anything in the dark always come out in the light. Who remember in a March I got to April when Dewey come on live with a big white something on him forehead. I may say, why would you go on the live with that big white something on your forehead? For sure some me abuse you. Now the girl dress Dewey forehead. So that's why the girls have so much authority, because the girl him run to from them time. Don't no pop to her, give him no man, come in a liar. Everything take time I reveal bit by bit, step by step. So what happened now? When I see the big white something and him a hold him forehead, so you know, me say I'm glad, me smart to say. You know when something happen at 10 years after you realize? And me ask him, why would you get that big dirty plaster? But to him saying them family. Me say then your family make the not the girl. So that's why the girl I'm black, not the girl. So that's why the girl I'm blame. What between me and Uno? When I see my husband in a defense towards me, I know the airport where them say my back up, because I sit down and see what woman say. Oh, my back say, wow, people lie and wicked. Which part them say back there, so? This is something where you go wrong and you vex because your girl at me say she go mail me and show my bad first. But when me look on the video, it look like I am and Tia and the girl plan me. You know what I overthrow me? What? Me I analyze it for myself. When you look on him on the phone and the cheekiness in her face and his face like them, him say, yes, I find a blood for back up Queenie. It don't make no sense to me. Thank you, baby. I see the more him bad face me and screw me, like I'm a rant. But me I calm myself. So me I work it out, because me there sleep in a fake blood sleep. Some sleep or some think. It have to stop, but oh, not gonna stop it. Help me stop it now, please. Help me. Me not glad stop because it's not blood. When me work it out, I look on the video. I wonder how much time when I watch the video. My husband went and planned with that girl to destroy me. Whether I say yes or no, I work it out. It's when you see him up on the phone with the cheeky smile, because him looking at the camera where the girl have the video, you know. And I like him asleep. And I like him asleep. In purposely, May, March, let me tell you now. See, text away girl send me, you know. May I work it out bit by bit, you know. Remember, I come back from Jamaica the 25th of March, because the 20th was the anniversary. But the girl done a preps him already. So the preps of the girl a preps him and him come Mother's Day March. Him hot for me and me fling the something after him. So I'm go to the girl and the girl nurse him. This message is from April. So March, April. See, this is the 21st of April. So 21 days after or a month after the saga get hot. See saga, this is how I get so far. Thursday the 21st of April. Answer your phone. See her name there. Then 3 days after they make the friend call, you know, but me just show you the evidence that me have. Then she said, what you say? Him say, I'm coming. No, so she asked him if him coming. You see the 8th of May, let me tell you now, I know I'm powerful. You see whatever has to be must be, you know. But you see when you're not a fool or you work things out are the greatest thing. You see, alright, remember 2 Mother's Day them have. Amen. Mother's Day May. No, sorry, wrong M. Mother's Day, now listen to me, calm down, Queenie. You see Mother's Day March. Look like he delete his reply. No. Him not delete it. That not when I have to go in at that. It no matter that. Whatever delete. Me still have some evidence. Don't confuse me. Listen to what me I said to him. M-A-R-C-H. You see March when you come from Jamaica. Me and him have the look of foolishness. Not the fighting out at airport, you know. This is March. Yeah? The 25th of March will come from Jamaica. You saw we come from Jamaica, Mother's Day. If Mother's Day was the 26th, this Sunday, it was Mother's Day March. And me and him have hell in the house Mother's Day because I asked him for call the man about the tracking for the car at Jamaica and him insult me. And the way him insult me, I attack him and say, whatever, that is what started. This is Mother's Day in March. So in a them time, them and the girl a coat and him skin a crawl for the girl. When him said to me, Mash, shut the f up and not confuse me, no mash, and stop doing that. You know, so low me make me express myself. And stop it, Mash. Be responsible, man. Too much blood, cha. Queenie, when this I got done. Me can't do it, because I try done it anyway. So you see, Mother's Day, the Sunday now, when the argument and something. I went to this mother. I remember we cast our next argument there. Him wake up the Monday morning and I'm there on the phone with my friend. And I said to my friend, say, him look like him and move out. And she said, go look at me. I said, nah, go look, I'm afraid. When me go and look, I say, I'm going with him, not rucksack bag and the little things. And that is March. You notice when the text said April, you know. So March, April, May. So May when Mother's Day again now, which is Jamaica Mother's Day, because at 2 Mother's Day, many are hard, you know. This is when the piece of teeth come up with the low, and me tell them, so the laptop broke off my teeth. You know, remember good no man? So you see the text I know, the 8th of May, you know. Around them time there, Mother's Day, I go to Mother's Day, you know. In a May, remember, so you have 2 Mother's Day. So that's why the girl have how much in talk. I'm see him vex with me and I screw me like I me them catch a kiss girl neck. And I'm looking at the video and they on the phone. Them plan me. Them plan me good and nice and try for overthrow the old fool. All me there cuss and a ball for him and I say stand up for me. Last time when me a trimble, I say do me a trimble. Hold me do it. Hold me. No remorse. No care. No affection. You hear me? But to me a bad clot girl, you married to me movie. You take me for alright? You take me for fool, alright? I mean, they analyze it, I try sleep and fake sleep. And remember the something I may say, oh, so when you call me the day and I hype and be there to work with the girl get for clarity when my video in at the blue something. And then something there go on, no respect, no affection, no blood care. You think I alone can blood cotton? You're rude. But me still not let you go. You have to let go yourself. Me not let your blood go. You have to let go yourself. Because right now you try to confuse me. Give up all. Not me. And the girl, so that's why the girl have so much authority. But the girl I got talk and the girl I got send out more things. When I that must come out in the light. So all me there play a fool and I say me I defend my husband. Me still I get the receipt them and I say what? The big white something and the girl dress him. So when him sit down there and chat to the girl, when me looking at myself, I say, you know, so Dewey and this girl plan me like how him and Tia plan blood. And Tia want to be a manager. And Tia tell him to do meet and greet. And then Tia want disrespect me and blood. One disgrace behind disgrace. Disgrace back a blood test. And you sit down there with no remorse. Don't my clot under the queen reign. I'm not pretty up nothing for me. Not pretty up nothing for me. You're different because right now the vex you vex and the vex you vex because I put you on your blood page, but my bad no blood, you have to swallow your spit and you can't do my clot, nothing. I'm sorry for myself too. Yeah man, the way I want wicked dirty boy, you come go like say you want to have me up for your ranks and all of your disgrace. Go! Move your blood.
Yeah, boy,
lighter. Yeah. The girl, take here and put one big you frame him. Remember me sit down with a glass like this, you know. When you might tell me there's something them in a face, tell her arguing and strong, you're bright and black. I tell you today for the war star, I'm still not left you. You left bless me.
So in this deal, we just end this deal. You're the one who started.
More come look for clots. Me don't know you from nowhere. So that's why the girl have so much talk. You understand? So when the girl tell her friend them from long time we she go to Queenie and her friend them, I say, leave Queenie and her man. Me hear every blood thing. I sit down, I hear the girl pitch out the way you take now bad like me. A beer couldn't blood me. I see this way you do? Every girl I go take you and take you for blood. That ring a rosy. You do that, but cool no. Boy, you put big dirty blood. Them I write up awful. Jamaica people go through the it. You know have no remote. Go! Bad girl, Queenie. You know, I try to sleep and forget about you about my friend. When him come to you, no understand? I plan him and the girl plan me. Remember good man I wanna work it out and look on the video man and the cheek this and the girl don't even look like they all look like them and she just put on the rear. Him look naked there. So like them I say use this so mad Queenie. Mad old woman. It's evident. Work it out for yourself, the man. Me work it out. Are you at yeah? No, it's truth. God knows as much as they don't hear me I tell you. All if me I fool myself, I rather come to that conclusion. Can't look on it no man. How you tell me you don't want to come on social media, you don't want my video and you're not going away with me, you're not take no more play. Now the girl I control you. And a wife. But if it's a man you buck up on, or what? We don't know what go on, but something go on, but the girl go and come talk, anything like that. So when you put on clothes for where you did not tell me, and put on shoes and socks, you never put on the coat and the hoodie and the scarf. Remember in England this. So you need to fix up your argument. Since as you not talk to me and I tell me go over internet, carry your business on internet because you don't have no stability to stand up as a husband and respect your wife. Your wife alone a cuss a fight for you. I tell us make we stand together, give me strength. Connect to me. You not read that connect. Still say do it on the video with him hairstyle. And the girl a hairdresser, you know. I watch him on the video. Make me to tell him to follow me go West Green with him with that same ear one you know, every 3-4 days one do him ear. And the girl ear just about the rabbit. Them not have no time for how me you know one style I'm not no favor dog to bother their cut no strokes. If me do that that's it's a one-way relationship. I be alone interested. That's a lie. They be not see it long time. I see it from in a March. But long time I tell you though. But that with me, you know, I can't wallow in a mud. Now it's nasty, you know. I swear down, it's so nasty and disrespectful. When every time I look on it, I wonder so me up my heart still, you know. And me really so crazy. Yeah, man, I plan me. If me don't know where a girl tell him, say, me a queen more than Queenie, you know. No, you know that kiss neck world. Yeah. I stand for the people, them.
No, man.
Me always I got defend him action, but me still I got tell him my truth. Me still I got defend him action, see me. You know, make it right for uno give me phone opinion and me can't talk my truth. Of course, me got with every action there's a reaction. Excuse me, my bad. I plan me. Then them have the little fake friend them now upon this now reach out now. It's not no prank. Him shame some I put it up. Him never know me that go prank her. Me shame. Tell up what happened. I only have feed mode for my voice.
Yeah.
I know that.
No, yeah. A lemon honey.
That only Jamaica only when I'm carrying at the long back. They beside this strainer, please. Me no want the honey the baby.
So don't want the white people.
Me not too nice to stress me only you man. I plan me. Back chat me. Yeah, back chat me dirty now. And me first fed up I do it. Do it can't fed up more than me. Me still not left him. I don't know hear the trick I make him left me. Cause they not gonna see me when I'm bald for him and look for him. Me don't know how to which one of them cripple me more. The boy me you never have nothing you tell you come and tell my husband say, my dog, me saw you got through my dog. Me have a ranch where you can't stay upon. And then you start talking about and me